Hello everyone, my name is Azucena,
And my name is Mayumi.
and today we're going to be teaching you all about the importance of plants.
To do this, we're going to use our at-home plant factory activity that you can find at our website.
Let's talk about the materials you're going to need. First, you're going to need the plant factory activity sheet and some coloring materials.
Now that you have all your materials, let's get started.
May, can you describe a plant for me?
Of course I can. A plant is a living organism that uses photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a way to make energy by using the sun. A really good example of this are like the plants behind me. They're using photosynthesis right now. Hey Asu, can you tell me what a plant needs to live?
Sure I can. A plant needs sunlight, soil, and water. Did you know that a plant is made up of parts? That's right. If you take a look at your worksheet, you can see that there are 5 different boxes we have to fill with the different parts of the plant. Don't forget to also fill out the importance on the next page. Let's get started. Let's start at the bottom. These are called the roots. The roots of the plant are important because they absorb and drink water from the soil.
Next up, we have the leaves. The leaves are important because they make food for the plant.
Now let's move on to the next part. Here we have the stem. The stem provides support to the plant by helping it stand big and strong, and it also delivers the water and nutrients from the roots.
Next up, we have the flower. Flowering plants have a specific type of system that allows them to reproduce. They grow fruit, which is where the seeds are made. Flowers are the reproductive organs of the plant. To reproduce, insects and birds must pollinate the plants. As the insects and birds move from plant to plant, they move the pollen from one plant to another. Not all plants produce flowers. Plants such as ferns and mosses use spores to reproduce instead of seeds.
Now on to our very last part, the seeds. Why do some plants make fruit? Fruits are a way many plants spread their seeds. Fruits form after the flowers fertilize with pollen. These are a good source of food for humans and animals, as well as important for spreading seeds. Now that we have learned each part of the plant and their importance, it's time to get moving. We're going to come up with some dances or movements for each part of the plant, and once they're called out, we're going to do it. Take it away, May.
Drum roll, please. Stem!
I'm flexing my muscles big and strong because the stem has to be strong in order to support the plant. Now let's do the roots.
Just like water travels from the roots in the soil all the way up the plant, we're gonna go up, up, up.
I'm stretching my arms out far and wide in order to attract pollinators, just like flowers do. Now let's do the leaves.
I'm gonna hold out my arms as far as I can and lean back to soak up as much sun as I can, just like leaves do. Now let's do the seeds.
I'm running all over the place, just like seeds do, in order to spread. Now it's time for a speed round. We're going to call out a couple different parts of the plant, and you're going to do the movements with us. Let's start off with seeds.
Okay, let's do leaves next.
Now let's do stem.
How about those roots?
And now flower.
Just like our bodies, plants have many different parts that keep them healthy and strong. And now that you know all of them, make sure to give your plants plenty of soil, sunlight, and water to keep them healthy.
And don't forget to follow for more.